Hey everybody, I'm Jennifer Turcott.
And I'm Marcus Parsley, and we're with IGL Coatings.
And we are here to talk to you today about tar. Marcus, why don't you tell me a little bit about tar?
IGL Tar is a soy-based low VOC product that is very safe for your car's finish, any finish on a car, including PPF. It's easily applied with a microfiber applicator or a microfiber towel or just a regular terry cloth towel. I use a rubber glove a lot to get bugs off. Anything gooey on a car, this is your product.
And
I see a pad.
Yes, and I will tell you about why I like to use it with pad, because a lot of times when I'm using tar, it's usually because I'm working on a post-track vehicle. So when I see tar all over the front of the vehicle and kind of in the back, I will actually put this on the pad, kind of like a paste or a compound, and then I will actually buff those marks off, and it works really, really well and efficiently. So if you have tar all over, I mean, you could probably even do it with bugs, but I just wouldn't heat the pad up too much because you'd never want to embed those bugs into the paint. But this is definitely an amazing product and definitely worth a try.
Nice little tech tip.
Thank you. Pro tip.
Thanks.
Yeah. For more information on this product, go visit Autogeek.com.